Today, I will show you how to find your Roblox user ID. First of all, let's check our profile and show that we're signed in. Now, let's move on to the Roblox mobile page on the web. Once we get to the web page, we're going to log in and we're going to go to roblox.com here. We're going to continue in browser. Once we continue in browser, we're going to log in into our Roblox account from here. And once we get into our account, we want to take notice of the URL link. The URL link is what we want to take notice of. So we see we're at home. Now let's go into our profile on the web. Once we enter into our profile, we go to the URL link again, and we realize this time we have our user ID. Now this is our user ID. This highlighted part, that's our user ID. And this part we can copy and share to our friends, and they can add us using our user ID. Now that is how you find your user ID on Roblox. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see ya.